Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to blur an image in your Signal app. So if you're making use of Signal application and you want to blur out some faces or a certain place on the photograph you've taken, you can do that by following this step in this video before sending the message to the person. Now let's dive into that. So let's say you have your Signal right here. You are having conversation with somebody and you want to send the person a photograph. So all you need to do is to click on this camera icon right next to the text message area. Go ahead and click on that. So once you click on the icon, it's going to display an option for you to take an image. So you can actually take an image like this. And now after you've taken the image, you can notice on top of this area where it has this, just after the pen icon, go ahead and click on this icon that looks like a plus or a health icon, and you can notice below it says blur face, right? Once you click on the blur face, it's actually going to blur your face automatically, but on default you can also blur out this image on default. Let me go ahead and deselect that, so I can actually draw the area where I want to blur, but this is actually going to take like a lot of time to do. So blurring out the face manually is still cool, but it's kind of a bit stressful, or not actually stressful, but is a bit time consuming. Now you can see that the face is actually blurred. Now it's going to be a bit difficult for somebody, if you didn't know the person before, it's going to be a bit difficult for somebody to decipher or to tell who the face is. And you can still blur out the hair also. So it's depending on you, the way you want to do this. Just go ahead and blur out the section where you do not want to display. So once you are done selecting the area you want to blur out, just go ahead and click on the check icon on top of the area just next to the recycle or refresh icon. So once you are done blurring out the image, you can notice the face is now blurred, right? Go ahead and fine tune that the way you want, or to make it look sharp, or to make it look a bit neat. So once you're done, click on this check icon on the top section to confirm that you've selected the image. Now if you're okay with that, go ahead and send the image to the person. So once you've sent the image to the person, it's going to be blurred out and the person will not be able to see the face of this person properly because it's all going to be all blown out. So in that said, it's still sending right now. So let me show you guys how to also do more of that with another different image. Now let's say we have click on the camera icon also, and now click on this image right here, this camera image right there on the bottom right. Click on all photos, and now I'm going to select group photo right here. I'm going to select this first photo. Now to blur out the image, do the same thing by selecting this icon and now click blur faces. Now you can notice this is a group picture, right? You can notice it actually it actually detected their faces and actually blurred each and every one of them, which is also very cool. Now let's go ahead and send this image also. Now the image is sending. Let me go ahead and blur out another one also. So I'm clicking on this one. I'm just showing you guys so that you see how this actually works the magic for us. Now click on blur faces and automatically it's going to blur their faces. So it's very cool and very easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any question about how to blur these images, please let me know on the comment section and I'm going to answer each and every one of them. You can notice the image that is being blurred that I sent to the person. So that is how to blur images and send to people. Very easy and very cool. It does work on group images and it works on individual images. If you're having any issue with this particular section or this particular video, please leave it on the comment section. I'm going to answer each and every one of the questions that I received. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and stay tuned for this channel. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video, guys. Peace.